Hello guys, this is ATL Stacks with the Blue Yeti, and this time I'm not showing you a beat, but I'm showing a tutorial on how. Let's see what the question was. How to add all sound packs, or add all my sound packs. And the way I'm going to do that is by going step by step with the way I answered Hash Kid's question. So for the first step, I went online and downloaded a free drum kit. Like, Dr. Dre, Sonny Digital, Mexico Drill. Yeah, I'm gonna cut the talking and just show you. So yeah, I just went online. I normally go on freedrumkits.net, search up some random stuff. It doesn't matter what it is, it can be anything. Sound fronts, samples, you name it. It could be anything. So yeah, first you do that, just download it. It doesn't even have to be from free drum kits. It can be from anywhere. So now, once you do that, I'm gonna go to my second step. You click on My Computer tabs, which is this thing right here. It looks like a laptop or a computer. Click that and go to the folder from, this is step 3. Go to the folder from where you downloaded it at. Download the drum kit into. And I already have like a lot of drum kits because I did this before the tutorial. And for step 4, what I'm showing you guys right now, you just click the samples from all these drum kits. And the thing about these samples in LMMS from the current version, you can't necessarily like play MP3s. You can only play WAV files, OG files, and I think that's it. And other LMMS presets, but no MP3s. They won't like play on them. LMMS. And yep, I really hope this tutorial helps you guys. So yeah, or you Hush Kid, and everybody else who has that question too. So yeah, thank you.